Hi everyone. My name is Layla, and I'm 35 years old. I'm the proud mother of 3 incredible daughters, Sophie, Aria, and Mila. They are my entire world. Life hasn't been kind to me. My mother passed away when I was a child, and a few years ago, my husband walked out on us. Mila was just a newborn. He never looked back. No calls, no support, nothing. Since then, I've been raising my girls alone. I don't have family to lean on. We live in a small apartment in Riverdale. Each month is a fight. Rent, food, clothes. I don't have a degree. I don't have a stable job. But I do have strength. I never give up. I work as a cleaner, independently. I don't belong to a company. I find houses, small businesses, and offices that need cleaning. I carry my own supplies and work long, hard hours, often into the night. I scrub floors, take out trash, clean toilets. Some people treat me with respect, others don't. Some never pay, but I keep going. Why? Because my girls need food. They need clothes. They need warmth. I work when I'm sick. I work when I'm exhausted. I work when I just want to cry. At night, I watch them sleep. I kiss their cheeks. I whisper, I love you. They deserve a good life, one better than I had. One icy evening, we were walking home after a job. The sky was black, the rain was cold, and the sidewalk was slick. Sophie held my hand tight. Aria and Mila walked close behind. I'm cold, Mommy, Mila said. She was only 5. I wrapped my scarf around her and held her close. Then, out of nowhere, a blinding light, a terrible sound, and pain like I'd never felt before. When I woke up, I was in a hospital, beeping sounds, a white ceiling, the smell of medicine. My whole body hurt. My daughters, I croaked. A nurse touched my hand gently. They're safe, she said. I cried with relief. Moments later, the door burst open. 3 little girls ran into the room calling Mama. They hugged me, kissed me, and I held them like I never wanted to let go. Then came the doctor. He looked serious. Your leg is broken, he said. You'll need surgery and rest. I panicked. How could I rest? I had no money, no job, no backup. Worse, my cleaning supplies were destroyed, and the fall had caused damage to the glass storefront of a luxury boutique. The owner wanted $25,000. I had nothing. I was broken in every way. But something amazing happened. My story spread online. Photos of my daughters, details of our struggles. People began to notice. Kind strangers donated. People I'd never met offered help. One day, a man called. His voice was calm and deep. I heard your story, he said. I want to help. I was afraid. Who are you? You'll see, he replied. 2 days later, he came to the hospital. He brought warm clothes for the girls, flowers for me. He sat beside me. You don't know me, he said. But I've been where you are. I can help. And he did. He and his team paid all my hospital bills. But that wasn't all. One morning, they brought us to a quiet street in Riverdale. In front of us stood a house, a real house. This is yours, they said. I dropped to my knees and sobbed. Is this real? Yes, they said. This is home now. My daughters cried too. We hugged and I whispered, "We're safe. We're home." Later, the man asked me, "What's your dream?" I wiped my eyes. "I want to open a bakery." He smiled. "Then let's make it happen." And he did. A few months later, my bakery opened. Sweet Rise Bakery. The smell of fresh bread filled the air. Laughter and love warmed the room. I wasn't just a cleaner anymore. I was a business owner, a provider, a survivor. To the man who helped me, you changed my life. You reminded me that goodness exists. To you, my dear subscriber, thank you for listening to my story. Your support means the world. Never forget, no matter how dark life feels, kindness and hope are real, and miracles, they happen when you least expect them. Stay strong, believe in good people, and never stop dreaming. Thank you for listening to today's story on my English Storybook. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories in simple English.